Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I am from Group 5. We'll be explaining about the CNC machine code that we did for the task 3. We do know that this is all the code list here, and I'll be explaining for the definition statement and also closing statement part. So let's move on to the definition statement first. We do know that 0 to 50, which is the first line of the code here, means it's the code, the name of the program for this machine, which is we name it as 0 to 50. And then we move on to the second line of the code, which is means safety condition for the machine. And then we do have each definition for every code here: G40, G80, G90, G00. We do know that such as G40 gonna mean by tool radius composition cancel. And next we move on to the T01 M06, means that tool change. M06 literally means tool change for the machine. And then we S1300 F280, this line of the code means spindle feed rate setting. And next line, G90, G54, G00, X, and also Y coordinate here. It means coordinate formatting or coordinate format. Basically G90 and G54 is gonna start the command, absolute value command from G90, and G54 is gonna be work coordinate registers. And G43, Z100, and so on, are gonna be tool length composition. So let's move on to the closing statement. So we just have 3 line of codes. So the first line is gonna be covered G01, means the linear interpolation 2. And M05, M09 literally means something. M05 is gonna mean by spindle to stop, it's gonna make spindle stop, and also M09 is gonna turn off the coolant, which is coolant off. And M30 at the last one of the code means program end with rewind, so gonna stop the program lah, literally. So this is it for the CNC code definition and also closing statement part. Thank you.
Okay, for the machinist statement, G01 at 0Y0 start from the bottom left right here. Then G01 at 10Y0 is right to the right 10. Then G01 at 10Y25 is right here, 25 to the top. Then G02 at 20Y35 is the rotation, clockwise rotation here with radius 10. Then straight cut to the right, G01 at 25Y35. Then again clockwise rotation, G02 at 30Y30 with radius 5. Then straight cut to the bottom, G01 at 30Y0. Next, straight cut to the right, G01 at 50Y0. We can see here 10 plus 20 plus 20 is 50. Then G01 at 50Y15 is right here to the top. Then clockwise rotation here, G02 at 65Y30 with radius 15. Then straight cut to the right, G01 at 80Y30. 30 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 to 80, and this is 30. Then to the top, straight cut, G01 at 80Y45. Then anti-clockwise rotation here, G03 at 65Y60 radius 15. And straight cut to the left, G01 at 55Y16. It's Y60. Then straight cut to the bottom a bit, G01 at 55Y55. Then clockwise rotation again, G02 at 45Y45 radius 10. Straight cut to the left, G01 at 40Y45, and then again clockwise rotation, G02 at 30Y55 with radius 10. And straight cut here to the top, G01 at 30Y60, and then to the left, straight cut, G01 at 20Y60, and then to the bottom, to the left, G01 at 0Y40, and the last one back to the 0 coordinate, G01 at 0Y0.